All right, well, this is my first video, and hopefully I'm going to show you something that you didn't know. Maybe you did, just give you an idea. So I used to run this USWE VFXW, and I have the Leatt USWE backpack, which came with the water tube. So I did a custom little job on it in the beginning. You just pop this cap off. You got to poke a little hole in your vent here to keep the dirt out of your mouth. And then you cut it, as you can see, there's some dirt in there. Cut a little hole in here and boom, that thing pops right out. So you can drink it as you're riding. So it came in that Leatt by USWE. So what I do is I just run these replacement bladders in a standard backpack so I can carry some tools with me. And this is the water tube connector out of the back of the bag. And what that does is it connects into the back of this. So went on to Rocky Mountain ATV-MC. They're running a nice little sale on this helmet. So you can't beat that. It's a good little helmet. They have a lot of nice reviews on it. Get some new technology in it. And a little close up. Sorry about that. GPX, oh here it is. GPX 4.5, V19.2. But their explanation on how to put the Leatt or USWE water tube in is through the side, but they have this 90-degree on here. Well, I don't have the 90-degree. So you have to improvise. So I did what I did on the USWE, which is I run it through the side. They have the side input here. You're supposed to run your water tube through. And it's supposed to stay on the inside of your helmet here, right where that white piece is, that white section above the red. And then that 90-degree pops out. Well, like I said, I don't have that. I have the straight tube, which I really like. So, cut the little plastic in the front, little needle nose, file it down so that you don't have any rough edges. Comes out on the inside. Tube goes straight, and if you've never used these before, they're amazing. That water tube is amazing. You don't have to stop riding. It's right by your mouth. You just grab it, start drinking water, and keep on going. So, just a little bit of information. Thought you might want to know. Think outside the box sometimes, and no, it's not the easiest thing to do, but if it was easy, everybody would do it. So you see what I'm riding. 300 KTM XCW 2018 carbureted with the Electron carburetor in it. So, have a good day.